What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details. Thursday morning. I don't know what time it is, 7:30, something like that. Anyway, we come in, Cody laid this piece last night. It come out decent, but we always like to go up and beyond to set our work out above anyone else. So this is a normal, this is Expel, the Fusion, but our CAD Messina software, when it come out, this is the little antenna right here. It sits inside here. So it has a digital cutout. Now, you can have this exact same car, and is what I'm getting ready to say to you, we do know because we see it every day. This could be off just a little bit either way. So whenever they make the software to have this cut out, it's on that particular car. It's not crazy, it's not like it's gonna be here and another one's gonna be here, but it can be off in different ways. So anyway, long story short, we come in this morning and we can just get a better, cleaner install on this. This would totally pass and be good, and how most people in shops do it. But and then there's a piece that's put on here and we butt it together, we overlap it and cut it so you don't see our seams. But we're gonna do one better, and Cody's gonna take all this stuff off here shortly, and he's gonna bulk wrap this whole thing uniform one piece. Well, what didn't you like about this thing, Cody?
Well, personally, I just didn't enjoy how like the seams matched up. I'd like to have like a seamless fit. Yeah, I just same thing. I always try to treat each car like it's my own, and if I seen that, I kind of a perfectionist. I just wanted to look as good as possible, so that's what we're gonna do.
All right. Yeah, so good enough said. And then Kenny will, like I said, he's gonna steam it off here. We're gonna show you how we take our film off, because there is, I don't know if you guys ever, I've seen lots of them on YouTube videos and stuff like that. They're taking PP off and they'll find the lip, and these guys are just got two guys just wrenching on it. Number one, metal is getting thinner, even the steel. A lot of these cars have got aluminum panels, and you can watch as they're pulling this off, it's flexing. You can crease, you can dent, especially Tesla hoods. Those are awful. Those will fold in half on you. But yeah, so it's just he's gonna show you how he's gonna take it off and stuff, and then they're gonna film doing the one piece and how we do it here.